Hey guys, so today with me this is a Volkswagen Golf GTI water pump. This is a broken unit which was from my car previously. I will show you guys more detail of what is broken, where is broken, and what is the symptom of it. So mainly it will cause your coolant level will drop. For my situation is my coolant level keep on dropping, and I have keep on topping up my coolant level. So you can see here it actually has some crack lines, so it actually cause the coolant will leak slowly. This is all due to wear and tear, and also due to the plastic made of this construction itself and the heat in the car. It caused the wear and tear for these few areas to be broken. You can see here as well there is wear out, and then these are few areas that causes the water to leak out, and this part as well you can see it then looks like a melted plastic. The water pump actually is a very crucial role actually plays in your car. It actually maintains an optimum operating temperature. It has a built-in thermostat. The water pump will constantly push coolant and water into the engine to avoid the engine from overheating. And this is the construction. As it is made by plastic, the wear and tear tends to happen because due to the engine heat, and as the water pump age, this item will deteriorate as well. Other than that water leaking, I do not have any other symptom. Everything works out fine. There's no check engine light, there's no problem with it. Only thing is just the coolant leaking issue that I face. So how much does a water pump cost? Mine I did change earlier, and it is about 1000 plus to get it changed. So here is just some information that I would like to share with you guys regarding my experience on the Volkswagen Golf GTI water pump. It is a very common issue on this